Welcome back to Animal Antics, the channel that delves into the captivating world of animal character and behavior. I'm your host, Comfort, and today we have an enchanting episode in store for you. Join us as we dive into the realm of the most beautiful and fascinating amphibians in nature. In the tapestry of life, amphibians are a remarkable group of animals, often adorned with striking colors, intricate patterns, and unique adaptations. Today, we embark on a journey to explore the beauty and intrigue of these captivating creatures. Get ready to be mesmerized. Our journey begins in the rainforests, where a tiny jewel-like creature holds a secret, the poison dart frog. Poison dart frogs are renowned for their breathtaking colors and patterns. Their vibrant hues serve as a warning to potential predators, as their skin secretes toxic compounds. Witnessing the striking beauty and fascinating adaptations of poison dart frogs, we're reminded of the delicate balance between beauty and danger in the natural world. From the rainforests, we journey to the depths of ancient lakes, where a creature of legend resides, the axolotl. Axolotls, also known as Mexican walking fish, possess an ethereal and almost otherworldly charm. With their delicate fringed gills, external feathery gill filaments, and the ability to regenerate their own body parts, they capture our imagination. Witnessing the enigmatic allure of axolotls, we're reminded of the hidden wonders and mysteries that exist within the amphibian realm. From the lakes, we ascend to the heights of the rainforest canopy, where a tiny acrobat enchants us, the tree frog. Tree frogs are masters of adaptation, with their sticky toe pads and incredible jumping abilities. They display a stunning array of colors, often blending in seamlessly with their leafy surroundings. Witnessing the graceful movements and vibrant colors of tree frogs, we're reminded of the intricate relationships between amphibians and their natural habitats. And there you have it, dear viewers, a glimpse into the world of the most beautiful and fascinating amphibians. From the vibrant wonder of poison dart frogs to the mystical allure of axolotls and the majestic beauty of tree frogs, these remarkable creatures remind us of the diversity and enchantment found in the amphibian kingdom. Thank you for joining us today on this enchanting journey. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell, so you never miss an episode of Animal Antics. Until next time, let's continue to explore the beauty and wonders of the amphibian world and appreciate the delicate and fascinating creatures that inhabit our planet. See you in the next video.